Once again, welcome of art. Ordinary beasts turn into extraordinary. Yes, today we are going to turn ordinary waste into extraordinary treasures. Welcome to Burlap and Jute Craft Creations, where recycling meets beauty and every old jar becomes a messenger of hope for a greener planet. Take an empty glass bottle, wrap it in burlap or jute rope, and secure it with a little glue. Add a bow or button, place flowers aside, and boom, you have got a farmhouse style, rustic style vase that looks like came straight from Pinterest. Don't throw away those useless jars, put fairy lights inside, maybe add some colored beads at a bottom. Turn it on at night, and your room will sparkle like a fairy land. My little tip, add a touch of glitter paint on the outside for an extra dreamy effect. This is one of my favorites. Take a clean jar, decorate it with lace or macrame, and every day drop a little handwritten message inside. Positive quotes, prayer, or your daily gratitude. Anytime you feel low, open it and read a message, a craft that heals your soul too. Glass jars or are secretly superheroes of the kitchen. Instead of plastic, store spices, lentils, or dry fruit inside. Paint the lids, label them, or wrap them in burlap. Suddenly, your kitchen looks stylish and sustainable. Take a big glass bottle, wrap it with burlap, but cut out little star or heart shapes. Put fairy lights inside, and when you stitch it on, those stars glow. It feels like holding a piece of the light night sky in your hands. Who doesn't love greenery indoors? Everybody loves, obviously. Fill the useless jars with tiny pebbles, soil, or a small plant. Add a few seashells or decorative stones, and you have created a mini world. This is not just a decoration, it's nature in a jar. Paint bottles with gold, silver, or even matte black. Add glitter tie a ribbon and use them as table centerpiece for wedding, festival, on Eid. They look so classy that no one would believe they were once thrown away bottles. They are the messenger of love. Take a bottle, decorate it with jute or lace, and put little rolled up notes inside, memories, promises, or wishes. It makes a beautiful handmade gift for birthdays and universities. And or friends, university friends, you can give them or anniversaries. So friends, today we saw how useless jars and bottles can carry big messages of love, creativity and responsibility toward our planet. Every craft you make is not just decoration, it's a story, a message that says, yes, I care for the art, I care for beauty, and I care for the future. So next time you hold a jar or bottle, don't see it as trash. See it as a treasure, waiting for your touch. Thank you for joining Burlap and Jute Craft Creations by Crafting Canvas. Keep recycling, keep crafting, and keep spreading positivity. And remember, creativity never ends, it's only transformed. Hope you liked these designs and ideas. You can join us. You can leave your comment in the comment section. We'll try to upload what you want to watch. We try to upload best designs and best ideas. So close your eye for a moment. Imagine a world where every useless jars, every old bottles, and every piece of burlap tells a story of transformation. Today we are not just making crafts, we are creating messenger of positivity. We don't show you a craft, we showing you messenger of positivity, sustainability and beauty. So grab your jars, bottles, a little burlap, some jute, and let's dive into the magical world of creativity. Eco-friendly crafts. These ideas are not only fun, just but also a messenger of sustainability. Reminder us that even small steps can help save our planet. Instead of throwing away old jars and bottles, let's recycle, recreate, and give them a second life. Let's start with some quick and easy craft ideas. you can finish in 20 minutes or less. Take an empty glass bottle, wrap it with burlap and jute rope, and add a few artificial and real flowers. Instantly, you have got a rustic vase for your table. Clean an old jar, add some fairy lights or tea light candle inside, and decorate the outside with leaves, jute, and paint perfect for cozy evening or festive nights. Turn a useless jar into a messenger jar. Write small notes or positivity reminder or prayers, fold them, and keep them inside the jar. It becomes not only a decoration piece but also a source of daily motivation. Glass jars are also perfect for holding spices, pulses, and dry fruits. Just paint the lids with acrylic paint or cover them with fabric and label them neatly. Simple, useless, simple, useful, and eco friendly. Now let's explore with detailed craft and take a little more time but look amazing. Idea 5. Burlap and bottle lamp. Take a large glass bottle, insert fairy lights inside and cover the outside with a layer of burlap, leaving small cut out shapes like a star or heart. Recycling is not just a craft, it's a lifestyle. It teaches us to respect resources, reduce waste, and make something beautiful with our own hands. So, this festive season, you can grow your business with it. So, you see, old jars and bottles don't need to end up in the dustbin. With a little creativity, they become vases, organizer, lamps, terrariums, or even messengers of love and positivity. Recycling is not just a craft, it's a lifestyle. It teaches to respect resources, reduce waste, respect our earth, save earth from pollution, and make something beautiful with our own hands. So, hope you like the designs, ideas. So, next idea number 6 is recycle useless jars into mini gardens. Fill them with small pebbles, soil, or tiny plants. These creates a fresh green look for your home while keeping jars out of the trash. Paint bottles with golden or silver spray paint. Add glitter and tie a ribbon around the neck. These can be used as table centerpiece for Xmas Eid or wedding decor. Take a glass bottle, paint it or wrap it with macrame thread, burlap inside or outside. Put rolled paper message, quartz positive, reminder or wishes. This can be gifted to friends or family at your loved ones as a thoughtful handmade present. So you see old jars and bottles don't need to throw away and end up in the dustbin. With a little creativity in your mind, whatever you have in your idea, they become suasive, organizer, lamps, many things. What do you want to make? So hope you like that ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. If you want to watch more design like this, so stay tuned with us. Leave your comment in the comment section and leave your comment in the comment section and tell us what do you want to watch. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Take care of yourself and your
Thank you for
family
watching.
members.
Have a very nice and best.
God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Keep shining, keep smiling like a star. Hope you all are fine and good. Fill your life with